Hello and welcome to our channel Eye Opening Facts. Today I'm going to talk about different psychological tricks that work in real life. These tricks would probably help you get out of an extreme situation or will let you play with someone's mind for amusement. Smash the thumbs up and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Remember how in high school or work where some people try to bully you or scream at you to prove their authority. Best way to shut them up is to pull up these tricks at them. When they are going on and on at you, make your eyes go zero, look them dead serious in the eye, and say, "You got a little something on your teeth." You might want to, it'll stop there right on the track. They are bound to lose their focus on what they were doing. If you do not want to go to that extent, go ahead and compliment them. According to research, it is proven that it becomes difficult for a person to scream at you while you tell them something nice. Now, let's get to the fun part and talk about things that will make the person super weirded out in the entire course of interaction with you. When you want a person to stop blabbering, pull out a pack of gums, offer them one without taking any for yourself. It will leave them awkward. They will keep thinking about what they ate and if their breath stinks the whole time. They will speak as little as they can. Or, while talking to them, stare them for a minute and ask, "Man, have you been crying?" Most of the time they say no. Why? Subtly reply to them, "Is it because of your hair?" Point out to any of their things. It will spike up their adrenaline and make them think about what could be wrong. Whether you know something nobody should know, it will distract them and make them get all nervous. Now, another trick you can pull with any stranger is while walking into a shop or a cafe. Pull out the door for someone, make sure that they are at least a mile away. Act very happy to do it. They will respond with, "Oh, thank you, you do not have to do it," although it will leave them awkward. In daily life, there are situations where things are done by someone that keep bothering or annoying you, but you do not comment on it as it might come off a bit rude. Well, we've got you all covered. These psychological tricks will do the trick without hurting them. Imagine a situation where someone does something wrong, like leaving the lights turned on while leaving the room. Instead of accusing them or screaming at them, you did not turn off the lights. Politely say the lights were not turned off. It will make them feel guilty and act on their conscience. And the next time they leave room, they'll make sure that they turn it off. In other instance, if you want something done, never start with "could you?" It has more of a theoretical approach and leads the other person to think for logic or something else. Instead, you should always ask, "Please, will you?" Moving forward to psychological tricks that will help you in general life and save you from embarrassment. Especially with the millennial and Zen generation, if you do not have a well-rested sleep and you're feeling tired, just keep subconsciously repeating that you have, and you will feel a bubble of energy rising. Or if you're bored in a meeting or a conversation and zone out, keep nodding slightly. It will keep the other person engaged and it will not seem rude. Our next tricks will help you close off a deal or an interview as observed and studied in a lot of cases. People tend to remember how they started or ended. The same goes for business meetings. If you want to stand out and be remembered, try to go either at beginning or towards the end of the queue. Now, if you're talking business and you like the deal offered by the person in front of you, though there is a hope of a better deal, try and act a bit disappointed. In hopes of pleasing people, the other person starts to melt and show up their vulnerable spots. Public speaking comes with a lot of job profiles, and if you need to address a huge, intimidating crowd, and having stage fear makes it more worse. Always remember to carry a bottle of water. So in case you go blank, you can always take a sip, and water biologically calms your nerve. You will be more confident and calm after drinking. Now, the next trick is for times when you notice that someone does not like you. You should try asking for small favors, like borrowing a pen from that person. Subconsciously, they will start normalizing you like everyone else. Moving on to situations where you are doing something and you do not want to be caught by someone. This trick will play the charm. Simply do not make eye contact with them. The more you try and see whether they are looking at you, the higher the chances are of you being caught. Moving on to a trick where you can get a little bit of amusement. Remember, the situation where a person is so engrossed in work and you can get them to give you anything at that particular moment. Just extend your hand and ask them to hold or give them anything. They will most likely do it without even thinking it twice. The muscles will act involuntarily, and once they come to senses, you can have a good laugh about it. Our next trick is to help you out of a common situation that almost everyone faces, be it at work or in school, where you are asked to work in a team. Do you have a lazy person in your group that you know would most likely just slow down the process? Do